purchasing a new full-size passenger truck. Here are a number of hard points to consider. The F-150 can tow more payload than any one of the Challengers. A maximum of 3,120 pounds in fact. And possesses outstanding Class 5 trailer towing functionality. Up to a maximum payload of 11,300 pounds in fact. With a tough completely box-set frame as the foundation of the built for tough engineering. The F-150 is assessed under the most demanding real-world conditions to offer the performance you expect, without exception. Feel not only exceptional potential, but stable performance and accommodation when towing a boat or trailer. The F-150 provides 11,300 pound maximum trailer tow rating plus customary trailer sway control TSC together with an available factory installed trailer brake controller TBC. In addition, the adaptable tow haul mode on the conventional 6-speed automatic transmission takes care of for altitude, slant and load to assist operation. Particularly when you're traveling up steep grades or down extreme grades. You can buy the trailer tow package or the alternative max trailer tow package along with a special group of sturdy towing improvements. The 2014 Ford F-150 is without a doubt an all-around excellent full-size pickup that can be configured to your perfect truck. Drop in today and take a test drive in the tough new 2014 F-150. And get the job done.